Hi, welcome to MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. My name is Al. We're here today on our Lake Lanier sales dock looking at a 2018 recently traded in Skeeter SX 210 21-foot center console bay boat with a Yamaha 150 outboard on the back. This boat has exceptionally low hours and is very well equipped. As you can see, it's got rod holders everywhere, a total of 14 rod holders on this boat. You've got 2 live wells on this boat, one in the center, one forward in the jump seat. You've got adequate seating for 2 more on each side with these jump seats. As you go to the console, you will notice it's got a Helix, Humminbird Helix 9-inch screen that gives you real great definition on the bottom. It has active sonar, structure scan, side scan built into it. Storage up top for whatever you want to add up there. Many people put on here ship-to-shore radios. This has a stereo built into it up here. So for those that want to listen to music, you can do so. You've got 12-volt plug-ins everywhere, protected switches, your Yamaha digital gauges, the Yamaha shifter. Going forward, you've got 4 more rod holders on each side for storage of rod holders. Lights on both fore and aft of your tower here to light up your working area. A large working area forward, which can get cushions be put on this boat as an option. This has a Minn Kota 112-pound thrust iPilot trolling motor. It has a foot control. It also has the optional remote control, so you can control from anywhere on the boat. This is a great ride. This boat performs exceptionally well in choppy water. Laid out very well for the avid fisherman. We're seeing more and more boats like this on the water going after bass rather than traditional bass boats. So if you want to take a great ride on this boat, test it out, see for yourself how great this boat is, come see us at MarineMax Cumming. Thank you.